Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Artist Adventures here. So I just stopped off at the services and I'm going up to North Wales. So we're going to go to the most north point of mainland Wales, which is called Talacre, I think. So guys, I'm now in Flint, making our way over to the beach. We should get there in about half an hour. It's nice being able to slow down for a bit now after being on the motorway for a while and kind of get a feel for the area. I'd say it's not the nicest roads, but then it's like that around a lot of the UK. But you know, lots of potholes, or lots of areas where the potholes have been filled up but they've still got like big mounds you have to ride over anyway, so it's still not like ideal. But it's nice here, like the air seems really fresh. I think because we're kind of by the water, it's a cool day, it's not too hot and humid, it's pretty nice. We've still got plenty of fuel, just over half a tank. Can't wait to watch the game tonight. What do you guys think? Are England going to win? I feel like we have got pretty lucky so far in the tournament, but it doesn't mean we can't get lucky again. Enjoyed watching these Euros. I'm not normally like a massive football fan, but when it's like the World Cup or Euros, I enjoy, you know, getting behind England and watching the games. It's really good. It's nice being back around some greenery after living in the city for a few months. You get really used to like the concrete everywhere. That's one bit I miss about not being in the peaks, is that I was just surrounded by nature there. It was so nice. But just shows like you can hop on the bike and you can get to places like this in an hour or an hour and a half or something. Oh dear. Hey guys, so I've just pulled over for 1 second because I want to show you kind of where we are and where we're headed. So if we zoom out here, we've come from Manchester, we're going up to here and we're heading to the beach car park, and it's going to be 11:38 when we arrive. It's 11:25, so really close, about 10 minutes. The ride's been great so far. The motorway was a tiny bit boring, but I've not actually been out on the bike for a while, so it was pretty cool to just be able to go up to speed and make my way into Wales. And then I stopped at the services, got a coffee, which was pretty good. The services were so busy though. And next I'm going to be heading up to this beach spot, so it'll be cool to see the ocean. Hopefully we can find the lighthouse, and I'm going to try and get some drone shots as well. So yeah, thanks for watching the video so far. If you're enjoying it, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps out, and if you can give it a like as well, it's really appreciated. And then as the channel grows, we'll go on bigger adventures, and who knows where we'll end up. But okay, let's go. Let's keep on going. We can get to this next spot. You can see a bike coming past. Alright. So guy just on our side of the road, just stuck with his hazards on. Not sure why. Alright, let's go. Keep going. It's getting nice now actually. Getting nice and green. And it's 60 apparently. Love these kind of roads, apart from it being a little bumpy, but they're nice to drive on. Really nice. Fresh air in the helmet. Go up to speed. Surrounded by nature. Oh, it looks like we're getting really close to the water. We got some cool shots up here. It's a cool little race car. I wonder if they've got any decent shops in this place we're going. It seems pretty remote. They've definitely got like a chippy and some little restaurants, so I could grab some lunch. I would kind of like to grab a Monster just to like stay caffeinated. I think biking is like, yeah, one of the main times where I like to have as much caffeine as possible, because I just feel like it helps me be extra alert. There's, you know, so many hazards out there for bikers and things you need to think about, so the more wired you are, the more it helps, in my opinion anyway. Wow, look at that boat. It's like Titanic. See it? Hope we get to right past that. Looks like a ghost ship, haunted. The fun ship car boot every Sunday. That's today. Could go check out the car boot, but not really got much room on the bike to be buying stuff. It's cool. I like that it's clearing up a bit. It's less cloudy, there's no more rain. The sky's getting quite blue. I'm looking forward to this a little bit. I'm hoping we're going to see the ocean. It's always hard to tell on this map though, because it could look like you're right next to it, but in reality you could be pretty far still. This is a lovely area though. There's a massive house there. Wow. That looks like a great house. The only issue I'd say is I wouldn't want to be on this road. Like, I wouldn't want to live right next to a road this busy. Oh, ouch. Went over a little bump there. Did not feel nice. I like the look of these roads that go up into the woods. Maybe not that one, that looks like a dead end, but it looks like there's some scenic bits on the left I kind of want to go into, but I'm going to stick to the plan, stick to where we're heading. Cool. They look like they'd be pretty fun to ride. I've never driven one of those before, but looks cool. But yeah, just stopped off again. But yeah, we're so close now. I'm actually quite looking forward to getting to the beach. And there's my bike, looking nice. Could do with a bit of a clean. And it's got these little spots on this bit. I don't know what that's about. Almost looks like rust. If any of you know what those are about, comment below. I remember on my old bike I had a similar thing happen, or it kind of just changed colour over time. So it was great to be back out, really enjoying it. And yeah, okay, let's keep going because we're actually so close now. 11:44 arrival, it's 11:38, so it's literally going to be 5 minutes and then we will be there. Alright, let's keep going. I checked my battery and we're all good. Got about 60% on the GoPro because I want to capture us arriving. Alright, let's go. Let's get up to speed. Oh, look at that. So close. I wonder if you've got to pay for the car park. Hope not. Or if we do, I hope they take card because I've not got any coins on me at all. Give away to oncoming vehicles. Give way to you. Follow the rules. Oh look, they got a little arcade. Feels like a little seaside town. Casino. Could go to the casino. This is a cute little spot. Got a see if we can find a parking space. Mr. Bonnie's hot dogs. What's this? Oh, a restaurant, I think. Point. Cafe. Oh, this is steep. Need an off-road bike for this. Alright, here we are. Let's go have a look around. So, I think we're part there. And the lighthouse is there. So it shouldn't be too far. It's nice, I like this path. And all the wildflowers. And this stuff, I think is called ragwort. And I know that because when I was in the Peak Districts, I volunteered to help the Peak District Trust, is it? Peak District Rangers? Peak District Conservation, I think they were called. And yeah, we just spent the day out in the fields pulling out that ragwort for like the whole day. And it was one of the hottest days in summer. I think I saw the top of the lighthouse. So let's see if we can find it. Yeah, I'm going to try and get the drone up as well. Try not to crash it into the ocean. No way. So that the sign made it look like there could be seals here. And it also said, don't fly drones near seals, so keep that in mind as well. I feel like the seals wouldn't be hanging out here at this time of day though. I think they normally, like if there are people around, they'll go somewhere else and they'll come here when it's quiet, or like early morning, would be my guess. I feel like we went a long way. I think that's a car park. We could have just walked around there instead of going on that. But that was quite a cool walk. There was quite a lot of people there. Really hope I don't get sand in my boots. And yeah, so let's try and find this lighthouse and go check it out. You can see the lighthouse in the distance. And there's some horses on there as well, right on the beach. See if we can get a shot of these horses. Alright, back of the bike. Let's get these straps on. Alright guys, so we made it. We saw the lighthouse, saw the beach. It's a pretty nice ride. And I just saw some other bikers turned up here. Now we've got to get up this little ramp. Off-roading. Oh. So they're going to get an ice cream or something. But yeah, it was a pretty cool little spot. I didn't really check out any of these little bakeries or anything. I'm not that hungry. But it's cool. It's like a little tiny, yeah, seaside town, I guess. And I didn't know that you could see seals here. Apparently there's loads of wildlife. So I'm glad I made the trip out. And then now we are heading back to the city. We're going to go to Manchester. Saying we'll get there 2:05. Can't see what the time is because my sleeve's too long. 12:48. Yeah, that sounds about right. So we'll get to go on some A roads to begin with again, and then as we get closer to civilization, we'll be on the motorway, getting up to speed. Oh, you scared me. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. I'm going to be going on bigger, better adventures, and I'd love for you to come along. Happy riding, and I'll see you all in the next video. Alright, peace out.